what we're doing right now in terms of burning fossil fuels and just, egregious pollution and waste cannot be sustained. I know a little bit about solar. I know a little bit about wind. I also know the difficulties of storing that kind of power once it's generated, the efficiency and conservation. Well, living in Brooklyn, although I do have a car, I probably use it a mile a day. I use public transportation. I turn lights off. I don't use any more heat or air conditioning than is absolutely essential, and I grow a lot of plants and vegetables. Of course, you can always do more. I think I could be more active in the community. I mean, there's only a certain amount that you can do. Well, this is kind of a nerdy response, but I think it would be conservation. Because there's so many, particularly here in Brooklyn, we live in so many old houses. That's a little plastic. Yeah, this is the kind of thing we should be using fewer straws. Being a New Yorker is being environmentally responsible.